some bars, man. Well,
Guilty ain't talking 4 to 8. Shotgun called the order pour. I ran it back like Florida State. Talking beef, you sweeter than that peach on the Georgia plate. We can bet whatever on the flow. I pulled my safe, running around town, save. You should have pulled a cake. She caught the vases, curtains for you, then I bought the drapes. Quiet storm, desert rain. And then I ain't never sing. Make me shove 30 in the clip and give you everything. I got it made. These bitches waiting on me like a wedding ring. I'm trying to do it big, but still shoot you for a petty thing. Underwear, tank top, flip flops, Calvin, styling, eating at the table like Italians. My son here big, about to buy him a medallion. Paid for, get it late night, Jimmy Fallon.
Yeah, welcome back, Philly fam. You already know how we do. I'm sitting up in here with history in the making, man. Quilly, man, he doing his thing right now. You already know, man. I don't gotta say much. Tell the people about yourself real quick.
Oh man, it's your boy Quilly. I want, God willing, I get an award, win something tonight. I'm trying to win something tonight. Just win something tonight, I mean. Philly Fame TV, you already know what it is, man. My boy Vodka, he hosting this drink, Tip in the building, you already know, man. Philly Hip Hop Awards, I mean. How we setting it off, man. I'm ready to drop this exclusive. We got real one in rotation. It's in daily rotation, man. You know, it's just getting blessings, man. Working and getting blessings, man. That's it, man.
And that's what it's all about, man. You deserve every bit of it, man. You know, I seen you from 100 years ago coming up, man. Tearing everything up, man. Just doing what you got to do, man. You know, and you know you a good inspiration on the kids, man. And then now while we on that subject, you know, what you think about, you know, like the justice that's going on, like with the police brutality and like the justice that we have not been receiving. How you feel about that?
It's just, you know, it's just a cycle, man. It's been going on since Rodney King, you feel me? So it's like, you know, the social media, more people finding out through the Instagram and through the Twitter and all that, but, you know, this been going on, man, since what you say, 100 years ago, man. It been going on, man. So, you know, it's just like, man, I feel sad, man, that, you know, it take for it to hit Instagram or for it to hit Twitter for us to know, because it been going on, you feel me?
And like you said, man, you know, and you know, like you know, we go back, man, and I see what you do for the people in the community and what's going on. You know, what advice would you give our youth right now, or not even just our youth, our peers, to just maintain, you know, sanity and all of this craziness?
I just last night I just left the juveniles at the youth study centers and at the net, and it's like I go, instead of me doing it social, I take it back like to the 90s when we ain't had no computers and none of that, and I'm going to these young boys. I'm going to these young boys' blocks. I'm going to their treatment centers. I'm going to these halfway houses. Like, you know, shout out to the social media, but we gonna put the phones down for a minute, and I'm going to these corners. I'm talking to the young boys hands on. So that's the only way to reach them, you know, to get in front of their face and to be hands on with it. So, you know, each one to teach one, man.
Each one teach one. You heard it first, man. Quilly, man, keep doing your thing, man. You know, how can the people reach you? How can they get in touch with you and let you know so they can follow and see your movement, what you're doing, man?
On Twitter, The Real Quilly, THE. On Instagram, The Real Quilly. Gmail, The Real Quilly at Gmail.
And you heard it, man. Philly Fame, man. We on our side. Uptown, salute to the G's. G's salute back. You hear me?